Hi, I'm Suzanne, a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Canada. Welcome to my weekly Monday Makes video on my blog and YouTube channel. The card designs I share today are simple, fun, and easy to recreate. I also sell the products I feature in this video. I hope you enjoy my free video tutorial and would love to see you shop with me. For today's card, I'm featuring the Dear Doily stamp set again. I used it last week too, but I can't get over how versatile this stamp set is. Sadly, today I have to make a sympathy card. My sister's 13-and-a-half-year-old dog passed away, and I'm pretty bummed out about it. I really like the dog. His name was Sam. And anyway, so I'm going to make her card. So this is some masking tape that I have. It's made from Post-it Note brand, and it's like it has a stick, but not too much. The reason why I chose to use it today is because I was able to, I think it's a 2-inch strip, and I was able to rip the strip in half. So have 1 inch on either side of my Whisper White cardstock. So basically I'm making a mask and I'm using the Post-it notes. Now you could use paper or you could use masking tape, whatever you have on hand. I'm using crumb cake and Sahara sand to do a little sponging, and you can see what I'm doing here. Tapped off the ink a little bit and applied it to my paper in a circular motion, and you can see I'm trying to be as random as possible. So the first color I put on was crumb cake, and this is Sahara sand. One thing to note is that you want highs and lows in the paper, but you also really want to make sure that those edges are covered so that you get this ripped, torn, vintage look. So the ink that I'm stamping with is Early Espresso, and of course it says words can't express, and on the inside we'll go with the sympathy greeting, how very sorry I am for your loss. But I'm also using these two flowers as a silhouette. And that's it. That's all that's going to be on the front. There's not going to be any bling. There's not going to be any, it just needs to be understated. So I mounted that on a Early Espresso mat. And this is a crumb cake card base. And of course, I'm just using my adhesive of choice to adhere these pieces to the card. And then on the inside, I have a piece of Whisper White here, and that's matted on another piece of Early Espresso, and that just gets matted to the inside of the card. And I will stamp with Early Espresso ink, how very sorry I am for your loss. And that's the card for today. Thanks for joining me. Hey, thanks for sticking around to the end of the video. On screen are 2 more videos for inspiration. Click on the maple leaf for my blog, or click on me to subscribe to my channel. Thanks again for watching.